I have 5 financial moves that could be the difference in making you a millionaire. And remember, this is not financial advice. So financial move number 1, invest in assets and not liabilities. If you haven't read this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, I suggest you read it. It talks all about this. Link below. But basically the idea behind this is that you need to buy things that are gonna make you money rather than spend your money. It's really easy to start chasing bigger houses or nicer cars. But instead what you should do is you should chase things like your side hustles, rental properties, investing in stocks, and things like that are gonna make you money instead of just take your money. Financial move number 2 is to create a budget. And I know that sounds incredibly boring, and creating a budget is indeed very tedious and can be very annoying to do. But you really need to know where your money is going. And you are not gonna know that unless you record all of your spending and income transactions and create a budget to account for that. So trust me, it's worth your time to do. People overspend. It's easy to do, especially when you're not tracking or keeping a budget. The 2 main things that people overspend is too much car and too much house. So know where your money's going, account for it. Financial move number 3, invest consistently. Stop trying to time the market. It's way too hard and it's pretty much all luck. Nobody can consistently predict short-term market trends every single day. Drops and spikes in a market are really easy to see once they've already happened, after the fact. Consistently investing is gonna win out in the long run, because if you're consistently investing, you're going to invest at the right times. Maybe not always the very, very best time, but it's better to consistently invest in good times than never invest at all, waiting for the best time. Financial move number 4 is that you should exercise. Now this might not even cost you money, but this is so incredibly important for your financial health, because I'm sure that you are aware that exercise is good for you. It helps you have more energy, be more alert, get sick less. I could talk about the benefits of exercise for hours and hours and hours, but it's still easier said than done, obviously. Essentially, you just need to make it easy to do. You don't have to go to the gym. If you like to play sports and you hate going to the gym, play sports instead. You don't have to go to the gym to exercise. Say you like a sport like pickleball. I guarantee you, if you live in the United States, there is a pickleball court that you can use for free near you. And because pickleball has so much traction right now and so much attention, you could go to this court anytime after work hours and find people there playing. So you don't even need to have friends that play pickleball. You can literally show up for free, buy a $20 paddle, and play pickleball and get your exercise in for the day. You just need to make it easy and commit to doing it. Be consistent with it, because the health and all the other benefits that exercise provides you is gonna help you make better financial decisions and make more money. If you're sick and in bed, it's hard to have the desire to make money at all. You just wanna feel better. Now, money move number 5 is to serve. Provide service for other people. Goodness is the only investment that never fails. And honestly, what comes around goes around. Service makes us feel good. It makes us feel better about ourselves. And more importantly, it impacts the lives of other people. The best part about it is that service doesn't have to cost any money. You are never too poor to serve others. Now, when people think about helping the poor and needy, they always think about donations. They need money to donate to homeless shelters, donate food, things like that. And they think, well, hey, I need that money. I'm barely getting by. So then they don't. But honestly, there are so many ways that you can serve other people without spending a single penny. And it's 100% worth it. All right, so those are the 5 money moves that really could be the difference in you becoming a millionaire. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you could know. I really appreciate it. Please smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.